Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a small but essential accessory for gamers, the EasySMX magnetic swappable joystick replacement for the X20 controller. If you've ever dealt with joystick wear or drift, this simple upgrade can make a big difference in how your controller feels and performs. This replacement joystick is designed specifically for the EasySMX X20 wireless controller. What really sets it apart is its magnetic swappable design. Instead of dealing with complicated disassembly or soldering, this joystick snaps right into place using a magnetic connection. That makes installation fast, tool-free, and beginner-friendly, while also helping you avoid the risk of damaging your controller. The package includes one replacement joystick, so it's important to note that if both of your sticks are worn, you'll need 2 units. The joystick is engineered to closely match the original X20 stick, maintaining the same feel, precision, and responsiveness. This means your gameplay stays smooth and accurate, with no noticeable difference compared to the factory-installed joystick. Compatibility is straightforward. This joystick is made exclusively for the EasySMX X20 controller and works seamlessly on Windows, making it a reliable option for PC gamers who rely on consistent input and control. Build quality is impressive for such a compact component. The joystick is lightweight, weighing just 0.7 ounces, and measures a little over 3 inches in length. Despite its small size, it's designed to handle regular gaming sessions without loosening or losing its magnetic hold. The swappable design also means you can replace it anytime without tools, extending the overall lifespan of your controller. Installation couldn't be easier. Simply remove the old joystick and place the new one into position. The magnetic mechanism locks it securely in place, and you're ready to play right away. There's no calibration, no software setup, and no downtime. Just snap it on and get back into the game. Overall, the EasySMX magnetic swappable joystick replacement is a smart and practical investment for X20 controller owners. It offers an easy fix for worn or drifting sticks, keeps your controller performing at its best, and eliminates the hassle of complex repairs. Whether you're a casual player or a competitive gamer, this replacement joystick is a simple way to maintain precision and control. That wraps up today's review. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our next product critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.